Before going into Unity, I thought I'd make a lot of friends. I learned a lot about myself and the people around me. I got to view others' experiences.
It was awesome hearing about my peers' perspectives and sharing experiences with all the students around me. It was awesome.
It was more rewarding than I thought it would be. I made a lot of friends. You get to hear so many stories and you just gain a new perspective on the world.
Being given the opportunity to talk with those who have had similar experience or a completely different experience gave me a knowledge that I hadn't had before.
Unity Camp is such an amazing experience for high school kids who attend Corona-Norco Unified Schools. The goal of Unity Camp is really to encourage our students to embrace our differences and see them as our strengths and fully understand the meaning of awareness, acceptance, understanding, respect, and truly appreciating diversity.
It's about making you feel safe and about making you feel included and welcome.
It's just something that I think everyone needs to experience at least once in their life, and it's truly a life-changing experience that you'll never forget.